Welcome back. We're going to be talking about towing and shipping a vehicle after you purchased it. We're going to use this 2018 Impala. It is actually in Florida, and it's nothing I'm interested in. I was just using it as an example. Trying to get the address of where the car exactly is, or you can use city nearby. You can get directions just straight on Google Maps just to get an estimate. This is how I usually do my estimates. I usually take how many miles it is, and then pull up your calculator and times it, usually 60, 50, or 70 cents per mile to have that towed, and depending on if there's a truck driver driving that route. I would highly recommend Central Dispatch for more of the high mileage tows you're having. This is a business account. I'm not aware if you can have a private account. You can ask a friend or a business owner. They'll let you use their account if they do have one, or if they know of someone else having it, they'll always let you use it. But they'll end up charging you. For an example, we have this vehicle getting shipped from Michigan, Detroit, to Arizona. It's a 2013 GMC Terrain. This is someone on the account right now. They are paying $850. They put up a bid for $850. It's 2,000 miles, so which averages out to 42 cents. They got the dates. Everything is based off a pre-bid. So if you put a bid and your mileage is 32 cents per mile, if someone's during that route and they need to pick up a vehicle, you might get lucky and have that vehicle picked up, or not. You will have to higher your bid if the vehicle has to be picked up, and you wouldn't have to pay for overnight fee, storage, vehicle for longer. That's one website I'll leave in the description, Central Dispatch. You always have AAA, which I like about AAA is if you have a vehicle, well, actually, if I purchased a vehicle from Detroit, which is actually much closer to me, I'm not going to be using my exact address. It would be more useful if I used actually AAA. If you can tell, it's going to say 33 miles. If you come here, I would highly recommend the Plus Pass. You'll get up to 100 miles each tow. And I think you actually do get you get 5 of them per year. It is $87, so you're actually not paying too much. So if you call, you'll actually have to talk to the company. They highly recommend you to be there, but if you talk them into not letting you be there, paying them a tip, you can just have it picked up and dropped off, no problem. You'd be paying like $20 per tow out of 5. And you also have Craigslist. You can get someone to come pick up the car, just like this guy. But sometimes they're not the most highly recommended because they're not very responsible, or say they'll be coming but they won't be. I would usually highly recommend just using your AAA. If you don't want to do that and you actually want to tow it yourself, you always got U-Haul. It roughly counts for me $100 if I'm going to tow it, because you're paying $70, and then you got to pay also for your gas. Here's a small tip. Say you actually purchased this 2018 Impala, bought it for $12,000, ended up paying $14, $13, somewhere roughly around there. You got to move it in 5 days. If you can't have it moved out in 5 days, each location has a different price for you. You got to read through all this. Storage fee, $40 per day, pretty much. You get 4 days to pick it up. If you can't pick it up, you're going to pay more than $80 in the auction for night fees. Just go ahead and call that auction and let them know that you want to resell it. You don't want to pick it up, you just want to resell it. They're going to throw that car back through the auction, and next week, say someone offers you 10 grand. You can go ahead and deny it. Or someone offers you even more than what you're what you got it for, you can also sell it. But that just gave you a grace period to have another 5-7 days of someone to come pick up your vehicle. That's just a small tip I've learned through the past. That is actually a really nice feature. I would not know how that would work through maybe those broker auctions when they purchase it for you and they transfer the title to your name. This is maybe dealer or owner through actually IaaI account. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and if you wanted to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.